is so cold in my house. It's a high of 41 today, so I have on my knit socks and a sweater, but I have to sculpt and I cannot have my hands warm while I'm sculpting, so but yeah, I'm hoping to get all my work done really quickly today, or at least all the sculpting done very quickly today, because Adam and I are going to go out for dinner. It's Thursday, and Thursday or Friday we try to go out together to have dinner, so I'm excited about that. I just recorded it felt like so long to me, it's about 10 minutes, like a little mini special video about the Consider the Raven mittens, just giving like details and stuff like that. So that should go up about the same time this does, so I hope that you guys all enjoy that. And yeah, it's getting really close to releasing the pattern, so I really can't wait.